In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Gmail without phone verification, using the legitimate recovery options Google provides when a phone code isn't available. This is helpful if you changed your number, lost access to your old phone, or simply can't complete the SMS step right now. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to the Gmail sign-in page. Once you're there, enter your Gmail address and click Next. Then type in your password and continue. If Google asks for phone verification, don't worry. Look for the option that says Try another way and click it. This is the key step because it tells Google to show other recovery and verification methods that may be available on your account. Depending on your account setup, you may see different options. One common method is a recovery email. If that appears, choose it and check the recovery inbox for the verification message from Google. Open that email and follow the instructions to confirm it's really you. Another option might be Google Prompt on a trusted device. If you already have a signed-in Android phone, tablet, or another device where your Google account is trusted, you may get a prompt asking you to approve the sign-in. Just tap yes or approve on that device to continue. In some cases, Google may offer backup codes. If you previously saved your backup codes, enter one of them exactly as shown. Backup codes are especially useful when you don't have access to your phone number. If one method doesn't work, keep checking the available options and choose the one you can actually access. The goal is to verify your identity using an account recovery method that you still control. After you complete the verification step, Google should let you move forward with the login process. Once verification is successful, sign in to Gmail and you'll be taken straight to your inbox. From there, you can read your emails, send messages, and manage your account normally. If you're not seeing any recovery options at all, it may mean you need to recover access to your Google account first through the official account recovery flow before you can sign in again. For best results, always use a device and network you've used before, and make sure your recovery email and trusted devices are up to date so this process is easier in the future. And that's it. That's how to access Gmail without phone verification using the recovery options Google offers. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.